So here's a single simple case report with a broken molar. I told you earlier that a static guide could be a better choice in the interior regions, but things are very different in the posterior region when you want to place an implant in the septum, because navigation is pretty good with the benefit of live changing your plans. If for any reason you miss the septum with a static guide, well, you can still have a second chance with dynamics surgery that still provides you guidance. For example, the septum was too fragile and you decide just to change your mind regarding the final position of the implants. However, in this case, here everything was nice and easy with the static guide. So then the peg is screwed. You just tied it with the hand and the help of a plastic driver. Even if it was simple, I told you we measure all implant stabilities. And again, there are smart pegs for implants, but also for abutments. If you want to try, you can see that the ISU may be different. It won't be the same between the implant level and the abutment level for the same case. Then we do the intraoral scanning and we are building up a dual zone with a grafting material. And then we CAD-CAM and screw at 35 Newton this custom healing cap, which is an SSA, sealing socket abutment. It is a technique that has been described by Gary Finel and Antoine Poplu almost 10 years ago.